Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So, today is December 6th, and I was trading the QQQ again on the 1 hour chart. So, basically, today on market open, I was looking at the dollar as I'm trying to build a strategy with the dollar. So, at market open around 9 o'clock, I saw a big green candle on the dollar, and then we also had like the dollar bottoming out here, bottoming BOTTOMING, bottoming out here, and kind of have a reversal candle, and then it started to trend up, and then from there that's where I decided to play the market to the downside, because as you know, if the dollar goes up, the market might go down. So I'm using that as some confluence. So I'm using the dollar as a confluence, and then I entered for a short position here with my stop loss at a previous point of resistance. So when I acknowledged that I was more bearish biased, after that, after I had the position, that's where I set up where I would have my stop loss, and then I came down to another point of support as a point of my take profit. So that's exactly what I did today. So my entry on this trade was 28742, and as you can see here, I entered, if you minus 5 from this, is exactly at 9:30. So exactly at 9:30, not a second later, that's when I entered the trade, and it would have been on the 9 o'clock candle here. So at 28742, that's where I entered 28742. So you'll see 28742 is right about there. 28742. Yeah, so it's right above there. I'm not spending too much time on that. But right above there is where I had the entry. And then this is where the market basically opened at, because you can see it's 9:30. That's when you can place any kind of trade. And I had a limit order. So that's basically what they filled me at. And then I took it down to a previous level of support, which is right here. And the exact level that I took it down to is 28074, and that was at, if you minus 5 from this, would be at 227. So look for the 2 o'clock candle. So it was this candle, 28074. 28074. So it's right around 28074. It's just one pip away from right there. So it's right. You almost, it's great for the bottom there, because you basically caught all of that move down. But as you can see, I was looking at a previous level of support and I didn't want to get too greedy with the trade. So I had a 2-to-1 risk reward here. And then basically I just took it down to another previous level of support as the take profit. And as I discussed in the yesterday's video, that until the strategy is a lot more fine-tuned, I'm going to take down the shares that I'm trading. So today I traded 20 shares only. So as you can see, I only traded 20 shares at QQQ. So I had a small risk as well. If it had went against me, I'd have probably lost 20 or maximum $40 on this trade. But then the trade went in my favor, and I just stuck to the plan. And I can tell you honestly, during the day, I was actually moving the stop loss, which is bad, because some would say I'm not sticking to my trading plan, but I wanted to ensure that I would have left the trade in profit. So during the day, I moved my stop loss to around here, which is another level of support or resistance. And then that would have given me a sure $20 profit. And then when it started to move a lot more down, I moved take the stop loss to around here, which would have been a $40 profit, like a guaranteed profit. So that's what I did. The trade ended up going in my favor and bouncing close to around that point of support there. So I'm working with more the bodies of these candles as a point of support versus trying to catch the entire wick. I'm seeing where if you try to force the entire week, that's when you start to get greedy, and that's when you get wrecked. So as you can see, I took the profit here, and just that was it for the day. That was around 227. That's when the trade was exited, and then the market kind of bounced up from there. So you had a reversal, and then that would have taken out some of the profit. But overall, that trade was $132 profit, and that was basically it. So I'm working on fine-tuning the strategy, and let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'm hearing from other traders that possibly Wednesday might not be the best day to trade because it might be choppy. So I'm gonna be very aware of that, and then if the market is choppy and it takes me out at like a 1 to 2 risk reward or 1 to 3 risk reward, which means that around $20 I'll be out and I won't trade anymore for the day. If it goes in my direction, that's when I'll take profit at like $40 or $60, and we'll see how that goes. Using the DXY as some confluence, also using the EMA. I have it's the 200 EMA here, and this was the 55 EMA here. So it didn't touch the 55 EMA, but it was close. It started to push down. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'm trying to fine-tune the strategy so I can be consistently profitable. So that's mainly what I'm focusing on, and just building out from there. Hopefully you'll watch this to the end of this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for anybody who has been following up with the videos, liking it, sharing if you find it valuable, and I hope to provide you a lot more value as I progress with the skill set and I practice more and just try to do better in the videos and with the trades. So thank you. That's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow, which is December 7th. Bye bye.